started the entrepreneurial journey 5 years back to solve the problem of giving credit to young working professionals. Over the years, it's been an exhilarating exercise, right, to reach out to millions of people to give credit, to solve for genuine problems, to build aspiration for people, to make sure that a young person can settle into a new town, for someone to send back home to his parents, to someone to get used to his monthly expenses, to someone to give a skill upgradation. I think there are many use cases that we today have serviced and really built a consumer acceptance as a company. This journey of being accepted as a consumer lender has been very interesting. We have done many things to get acceptance from customers, and we have built a lot of effort both internally and externally to really build up a company. If I go back and look at the lines of code which our teams wrote, if I look at the effort our product and marketing teams did to attract customers, if I look at the entire effort which our customer support team reached out and spoke to our consumers when we had a problem or they had a problem, I think it's interesting how companies are built, and we today feel very proud that we've emerged as one of the preferred lenders for every salaried customer needs. We've all been facing difficult times with the pandemic. I think it's very important to accept what happened, and we have all realized it's time to move on. The economy is opening up. We really appreciate many of our customers in all the difficult times came to us, and we would try to help as many as possible. And as more opening up takes place, almost every day we see thousands of customers coming to us for their credit needs. And as a platform becomes more and more stable, our risk engines become more and more tuned, we are able to serve many customers, and today we see thousands and thousands of loans happening each day as we grow our business. I'm going to next invite Ashish to talk a little bit more about what's happening in the economy.
Thanks, Akshay. The last 5 years were indeed a great journey, and it is a continuing one. Last 6 months formed an important part of our journey, and I believe it is a transformational one. The businesses are made by employees and customers. During this pandemic period, the employee safety was our top priority, and we ensured work from home seamless and smooth. What we also saw that our employees came together and really worked hard to service our customers better. The employees overworked and over-delivered on each and every parameters of the businesses, and they have catered the customers really well. Also during this period, our portfolios really held up quite well as the customers started paying their EMIs on time. Watching consumer behavior, we observed a lot of cautiousness on the part of the customers in the month of April and May. As the April and May period passed and we started seeing unlockdown and the economic activities coming back, the customers also started behaving much better towards how do they really cope up with the post-pandemic periods, which means spending money on virtual cocktail parties, spending money on doing skill upgradation course for themselves or for their kids, home makeovers, or taking shorter vacation trips nearby, which allows them to connect to the larger world and feel normal about it. I'm also witnessing a spread of internet across smaller towns, which means that the new customer sets are coming back into the systems, and they provide us an opportunity to service those customers by creating innovative products. As there is a saying, never let a good crisis go west. We really spent last 6 months building new relationships, new products and new opportunities for early salary. Now we can service our customers from a mobile application, website, and from our partners end to end by enhancing the customer experience and not providing any breaks to them. During this period, we closely looked at the data and found new opportunities and the possibilities in the post-COVID era hypothesis, and we built new products around it, and an entire new early salary suite has been created and designed for our customers. Today we have grown from a single product to a multi-dimensional story in a continuous quest to service our customers best. Over to Vimal now to take you through what lies ahead and what are the new products which we are building for our customers.
So 5 years back, there was no channel which was available for young salaried professional in case they want to borrow a small amount to tie over the month, and so that's where we saw the opportunity, and we started early salary with a single product in mind, wherein the customer doesn't have to do anything. Customer have to download the early salary app, and the money was made available to them in less than 10 minutes without asking too many questions. And initially we had only single product focused, and that was only instant salary advance, which was made available to the customers. Over a period of time, we realized that customers' need, are changing, and we kept adding a lot of new products in our suite. We realized and we understood the customers' needs towards the online shopping, and that's why we added around 3 years back the shopping loans, which was where the customers could shop online on Amazon, Flipkart using our credit line. Also, around 3 years back, we also realized after customers being with us for a year or two, their need also increased, and that's why we created a new product which was 3-month and 12-month product, and wherein the customers could take higher amount and repay in 3 to 12 easy installment. So that's how. So we as a ethos of the company, I think we always look at the customer need to evolve and to launch new products, and that's where we are today. And since now we have realized a lot of new needs coming up for the customers, and we are launching now a lot of new products. And to give more details about the products, I hand over to Akshay.
The salary card is a new offering that we'll be introducing next couple of weeks. We did a first pilot to introduce the card to our first 1,000 people, and the results were very interesting and really proved that we want to head and create the country's most accepted digital card business as we go along. It's important that we have a product which will be highly accepted by consumer, and really today's new modern customer who's ready to face the world is asking for a more digital savvy experience. Let me take you through 2 or 3 product highlights of the salary card. The first is a dynamic limit capability being built in. This is, I think, industry first, and for the first time, consumer is able to select the limits that he wants to accept on particular categories. It also builds the habit of making sure that you are prudent in your spends. It gives you the extra tenure when you want for specific emergency plays, and making sure that credit comes to you when you need it most, and controls the way you look at tenure payment. I think the next part is true digitization and true digital. While many of us are used to using plastic, but the experience of getting a card experience has always been physical. Well, here's a product which you apply digitally, you get approved using an ML stack without any physical interaction. There's a video KYC stack built in to make sure that you can approve a customer and have a zero-touch atmosphere before you can get the card. The card itself comes only on a mobile app and is available to use within a few seconds of you requesting for one. Now, I think the true digital experience will be very exciting for many young consumers as they get used to a digital payment, and more or less this, unlike any other product in the market, really gives you the power of using credit to the next level. The platform has been built in partnership with RuPay, which means it's got a universal acceptance. You can reach any payment establishment and actually now get empowered to pay with your early salary limit. I think this is a huge innovation, and we are really thankful for all our teams to building it through. We will also be introducing a new offer platform along with the salary card. This will allow many of our customers to get exciting new features, benefits, offers, etc. coming in, and look forward to the next few weeks of an exciting launch plan with a new salary card coming in.
While there is a salary card which allows our customers to use our limits across platforms and across various tenors, we went an extra step to help our merchants also to onboard the customers in a seamless way and enable them to convert their purchases into an EMI transaction, which allows them to boost their sales. Let's say you are on an education platform and you would like to avail an skill upgradation course. You can actually do that course on installment on the merchant platform without even approaching early salary. We have also built capabilities where merchant can redirect the customers to ES platform and get it converted into a sale. In all, today we offer our customers and merchant to utilize ES platform in a holistic way. Today our customers can utilize our limits with card or without card. It is available for new customers as well as the existing customers, and with merchants without a tie-up with us or with a tie-up with us.
After mastering the instant cash lending business and understanding the market completely, we're now all geared up to venture into the buy on EMI business. We have identified various customers and merchants across industries who are looking for enablers to give them a real-time experience in buy on EMI. For customers, the shop on EMI with early salary will help those who say don't have a credit card or do not want to use their current credit limit to buy and shop with a complete ease. For merchants, the early salary buy on EMI will enable them to broaden their funnel without having to compromise on their cart size. We are here to solve this issue for merchants with our real-time solutions and our absolutely seamless journey. We have a 15-minute onboarding journey for every new customer, which includes underwriting the customer as well as disbursing the amount to the merchant. That should solve the problem all around. During COVID, we saw that the edtech industry went through a huge boom. It was in times like this that learners invested their extra time to do a lot of skill upgradation for themselves as well as for their kids. It was during this time that we partnered with a lot of edtech merchants from various categories in skill upgradation, some names being Insade, Advisor, Planet Spark, Board Infinity, whose focus on self-upgradation or upgradation for kids. So here's calling out to all customers and merchants to come and experience our seamless journey and partner with us to solve all their financing needs.
So over a period of time, we have realized in the last few years the customers' need keeps on changing, and since many of the customers have been with us for more than 3 years, their needs are also evolving over a period of time, and that's where we are now. We are excited to launch a new product, which is a longer tenure personal loan, which will range. The tenure will range from 12 months to 36 months, and wherein the ticket size will be 50,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees, and it is the customer choice how much he wants. The amount ranges from now we have the product being available to all the customers, ranging from 3 months to 36 months product, and it is the customer choice how much he wants and what tenure he wants. So with this new launch of this product, we believe that we will be able to cater to all the needs of the salaried segment, wherein the customers can choose amount ranging from 8,000 to 5 lakh rupees and tenure ranging from 3 months to 36 months. We are really excited to launch this product, and we hope to serve the salaried community better. Thanks. And we also, in last 5 years, we have disbursed almost 1.5 million loan, which clearly shows the kind of strength or kind of backbone which we have created in tech and analytical capabilities. Now I hand over to Anil to talk about the tech capabilities. Thank you.
Yeah, hello. Let's have a brief look at the tech behind Early Salary. All the products built in-house with keeping customer at the center and the automation as a key. For example, our LMS runs 24/7 without any manual touch. What does it mean? From an end user perspective, he can actually take a loan, he can get the money disbursed to his account at any time, maybe it's a day or night, doesn't matter. Similarly, he can make a payment anytime. Also, the LMS comes with a flexibility that user can, do the payment of his EMI amount, maybe he can do a partial payment, or maybe he can choose to close the loan. All this can happen at the real time without any manual touch. Everything happens automatically. We have multiple products in our kitty, like short-term loan, long-term cash loan. Then we have a buy on EMI, salary card, and then we have multiple corporate tie-ups and corporate specific product that we have. It's important to give a unified user experience so that user doesn't need to apply for this product separately, and that is what we do. Any approved customer technically can be enabled for all these products. Another important aspect of this is that the limit is defined based on the product and its usage. For example, a person swiping a card at a hospital, or someone buying an education product, or maybe someone taking a cash. For the same purpose, these three products and these three different use cases will give a different limit. So maybe hospital might have a more limit than probably a cash. So all these limits are managed dynamically on the real time based on the customer usage. If we go little deep into tech in terms of the architecture, so we have completely a microservice based architectures. We have hundreds of microservices running. Some of them are in serverless compute, for example AWS Lambda. Then we have some of them are in container or maybe EC2 instances. And the entire ecosystem is built keeping the distributed caching and distributed processing in mind. Distributed caching is for various different purposes. One is definitely for the performance improvement, and second is that we use it for the distributed level locking. And another aspect of the architecture is it's a API driven. Everything that we do is API driven. If two systems even built internally, they talk to each other, they have to talk to each other via API only, API and API only. This is a philosophy that we follow. Any API which is either exposed externally or internally, they have to follow certain security guidelines. This enables us to create an API ecosystem so that in future, if required, the same API can be used for a partnership integration. The business work with the various different partnerships. We have a co-lending partnership, then we have a different type of corporate tie-up, then we have other type of businesses. I think over the period of time, we build a very good ecosystem of API, and these APIs are helping us, enabling this partnership easier and seamless. On the back of it, we have a data lake. Data lake is used to process all type of data. This being a fintech, we have a data and analytics as a key capability. So we process almost like 100 GB of data every day, and theoretically it can scale infinitely. In the entire ecosystem, the entire architecture is developed based on keeping scalability in mind. The system should be able to scale dynamically whenever required. If you look at a tech stack is primarily like Java, Python, Scala. Then we have Kotlin, React, Spark. These are the high level tech that we use. Last but not the least, test automation and monitoring are two integral parts of our product development. For example, if you want to drive fast, what you need is a strong braking mechanism. Similarly, if you want to ship the product faster, you have to have a automation test framework so that you can be test effectively. At the same time, you also have a very strong monitoring system so that in case something go wrong, I get to know immediately and take a right action. Analytics is the key for our ecosystem. So let's hear more from Bala on this. Thank you.
Hey, thanks Anil. Today, customers have access to many financial services on their phone. They have more choices than ever before, and they expect instant decisions on their loan application with a very high quality customer onboarding experience as well. Hi, I am Balakrishnan Narayanan. I head the data science and analytics practice at Early Salary, and I am responsible for building the advanced analytics capabilities within the organization. At Early Salary, we combine the power of data with technology to solve the customer's problem. Our big data capability makes it possible to blend large volume of customers' data coming from different sources in a jiffy. Who could have imagined that a mere data extracted from selfie could help us comprehend the behavior of the applicant? Our AI ML capabilities help us to train the machine to take human-like decisions. It processes over 75,000 applications per month, and it is ready to scale beyond that. The machine decides which customers to approve and what products to be made available to the customer through the range of credit suit that is available. And everything happens in real time. The learnings from 1.2 million loans that we have disbursed so far helps us understand the customers and their needs better, creating a competitive advantage over the other players. Every customer has a different need, they have a different credit history, and they have a different spend behavior. However, our cutting edge technology helps us understand the hidden trend and pattern behind the data to offer the customer a customized solution based on the smaller segments that we have identified. We use this information to research and develop more tailored product to suit our customers' need. Nearly 75% customers repeat with us and they have remained loyal with us. Through efficient use of technology and analytics, we have been able to automate most of our internal processes. This in turn has enhanced our customer experience and provide them best-in-class services at a very cost-effective way. Today, most of our customers prefer to chat with our chatbot and get their problems resolved as against waiting on a call to talk to our agents. We are also experimenting with voice bots. Maybe next time when you receive a call or you call to our call center, you may be actually talking to a machine rather than an agent. Our comprehensive AI ML practices have also helped us to identify good customers and keep away all the customers with malicious intentions. This has improved our loan book quality over the last 5 years. The benefits from all this cost saves and the operational efficiency are passed on to the customers by offering them best rates which are lower than the competitor.
As the new year begins, we introduced many new features. I think we all spoke about our ability to short tenure loans to long tenure 3-year personal loans. We spoke about our instant personal loan or instant salary advance. We spoke about shop on EMI. We spoke about how the salary card is getting revolutionarily different and how we give our consumers access to free credit report on the app. If you put all this together, it forms a part of our credit suite offering, which I think allows every consumer who's salaried to look at our offering in a holistic way and allows us to serve a customer for a very long term. And this allows retention of the consumer at the same time, and also many people to like us and live with us and grow with us as we grow and as they grow in their life.